Hi guys, in this video we'll see about GIS Geographical Information Systems plus SCADA Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System integration steps. First step, prepare GIS data. Either you can use ArcGIS or GSmallworld or any open source. Map electrical assets, that's feeders, switches, transformers. Assign unique IDs for each asset used for linking. Connect SCADA devices, that is RTU, remote terminal units, and PLC, program logical controls. Send the data to SCADA server. Configure tags and telemetry points, the location and the device. Okay. Establish a integration layer, that is a connection with FME or a REST-based middlewares, which use the data synchronization between these two systems. Map SCADA tags to GIS features, that is the mapping between two systems, that's a breaker ID in GIS tag ID in SCADA. Okay. And configure rules for symbol color changes, status, alerts. That is, if it is in a overloading condition, what the color. If it is outage, then network color, maybe in the gray color or something. Enable a real-time visualization. That is ArcGIS web map or dashboard for operators to visualize the entire network, and show breaker status, that is in an open or closed condition. Okay, and a display load fault voltage alerts on the map based on the field sensing device information. Integrate with the outage management system to show affected customers. That means if any outage happened on the transformer, down to the transformer, what are the consumers are connected, and intimate them regarding the outage. Just turn on monitor. Once the system has enabled, okay, then we can check the latency, tag mapping, real-time updates, optimize for performance and fault recovery. These are the steps when you set up a system, okay, which integrated one GIS and SCADA integrated system. These are the steps to follow. Thanks. Please subscribe and watch. I'm going to prepare many more videos in this area. Thank you.